Hello guys, I hope all of you are fine. Friends, in our today's video we are going to get amazing, beautiful, simple and easy to make design ideas related to how you can design your dresses with the help of hand embroidery. All of these embroidery patterns are simple, easy to make and unique at the same time. Now we are going to discuss which type of embroidery thread could be used to make these embroidery patterns, which type of fabric is required to make the whole entire pattern, which type of fabric material and which type of occasion are being entertained by wearing these type of dresses. So let's move back towards the basic essential things. You need just 1 to 2 instrumental things, like you need an embroidery frame, which is a wooden rectangular or circular fixing frame in which the fabric is being tightened or loose according to the requirement of the hand embroidery artist. You need the embroidery needle and an embroidery thread as well. So if we talk about the hand embroidery stitches, so simple and basic embroidery stitches like French knot, lazy daisy, satin stitch, fly stitch have been used to make these beautiful patterns of embroidery. Beginner friendly embroidery patterns are being used so that every hand embroidery artist could make them easily. For making them more beautiful or making the beautiful ideas more creative and enhanced, you can use pearls as well. So all of these designs are absolutely suitable for designing your shirts, kameez, kurti, top, gown or blouse of your sari or a yoke of your frock or a karidar suit as well. I hope that you are liking the ideas. For giving a more unique antique style and traditional touch, you can use the art of mirror work as well along with embroidery patterns. Friends, stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. We try our best to share amazing and trendy ideas. So you can pair up your designs along with any type of bottoms you want to wear. So don't forget to like and subscribe.